Friends, this is FIIO BTR13 Bluetooth and DAC headphone amplifier. So it's actually very popular on AliExpress and it has a lot of sales, you can see. So I wanted to test it and it has a lot of positive reviews as well. So let me unbox it and then we'll talk more about it. Friends, so this is my review for BTR13. First of all, as you guys already know that it has more than 1000 sales on AliExpress on just one official store. So it is a very good functioning device and I am loving it. The reason is that it is very lightweight and at the same time it has a lot of power, and in Bluetooth connectivity I can say that the sound is great, but when it is directly plugged into the smartphone, the sound is much more better than the Bluetooth. But even when it is connected wirelessly, the sound level is too loud. So that's a very good point of FIIO BTR13. And as far as the sound enhancement is concerned, yes, you will feel the sound is much more vibrant, much more colorful, and it has a lot of depth in it. It is working very perfectly. I would say that this is a very short device, very capable device. The sound is very good, the connection is stable. In Bluetooth sometimes you will feel the disconnectivity, but it is very rare. So I've used IEMs with very low amplification and it turned those devices into highly amplified sound. So I am very impressed. So I have nothing more to say except this, that if you are into DACs or Bluetooth headphone amplifier and you are trying for the first time, then I think you can go with the BTR13 first, and you will feel like it is a combination of BTR11 and BTR17. BTR17 is powerful, but it is something extraordinary, but you can see that it has a lot of weight or machinery. But at the same time, FIIO BTR13 is very lightweight and it has both qualities of BTR11 and BTR17. So if you are interested, must use the discount code I have provided in the description, and this is the store. That's it. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments.